Hello, and welcome back to Here We Tow. Just thought we'd bring you up to the caravan storage yard today, just in relation to some products that we've been sent. So full disclaimer in relation to it, we've been sent some products from Collapz to test out. So we've got the 3-in-1 bucket, the rechargeable shower and some other bits that we'll show you in due course. We've also got some Mellerude products. These were winning a prize, just a review, just an overview as to how we're going to use them. So driving the caravan back up to storage, it got a little bit dirty, so we'll give it a go with some of the products that they've sent us that we're going to use to be able to get it done. So just a quick one today to show you exactly what we're doing and how we're getting on with everything in relation to our caravan adventures. I've got to try and find some water. So I'll get them out, quickly show you what we've got. So here's the box of products that we've been sent from Collapz. So these have been sent for us to try. We haven't paid anything for them, we've just sent them out just to have a look at. We've got the Collapz 3-in-1 bucket. We've got some stretchy silicone lids. 16-litre utility bag that Karina's exceptionally overwhelmed with. She loves it. Some stretchy silicone lids. They're for cans as opposed to like saucepans like the first one. And one of the latest products, I believe, rechargeable twin head travel shower. So let's crack them open and give them a go and see what we think. So then, first of all, we have the Collapz 3-in-1 water carrier bucket and watering can. You can see here we have a strap. We have all the bits in the bottom. That is the bottom of the bucket. We've got the lid. We've got the spout, we've got the sort of shower rose attachment, the angle, and we have a on-off tap. Really rugged design. The bucket itself, yeah. Quite impressed with that actually. It's a lot firmer than I thought it would be. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah. So to turn it into the bucket, cover the hole. If you can see here, it's also got the markings on the side, so we've got 5 litre, 6, 7 and 8 maximum, and I'm assuming that that lid pops off, absolutely, to turn it into the bucket. What a cracking idea. Potentially what I'm going to be using today is the bucket and the rechargeable twin head travel shower. Give the front of the van a quick swill off, clean it with the shampoo from Mellerude that we've got, and the back, just to see how this would work. Ideal for this, we've got a Tow Pro cover from Specialised Covers, so we need to give the van a quick wash at the start to get any grit off, so it's not scratching any of the acrylics in relation to the glass or the front of the van, and also just to keep it nice and clean, nice and new. So we're going to use that to be able to just get all the grime off before we put that on to use it to travel. and this, let's see how it goes. This would be ideal for doing exactly the same at the campsite. So this is the Colapz Rechargeable twin head travel shower. Bit of a mouthful. What you get in it is a bag. Let's have a look what's in the bag. In the bag you've got a set of instructions, the nozzle, the shower head, USB cable, plugs and charging, the physical pump itself, and the hose. So pretty simple. Let's see how this cracks on. First impressions, fantastic. This plastic, even when it's full, just stops it digging into your hand. So the rope itself, although robust, when it's full, is a little bit heavy, but absolutely spot on, because it's just, well, it's lovely in your hand.
Here we see Jules in action, doing
men's jobs.
There's a division of labour at Here We Tow. We have no issues over women's jobs and men's jobs. Obviously if you do, then that's up to you, but we don't. I talk and Jules lifts and carries. And after this hard work, we will be going to Subway, where I will purchase us some sandwiches that somebody else has made. Probably using Jules's points that he has earned.
Jules's card.
On his card. Yes, more fair division of labour there.
That'll do.
I agree.
Very foamy. That was a good sign.
Yeah.
No product placement here.
We're going to rinse off now, Jules.
Yeah, let's give it a try.
So, you're going to place your big end in the bucket.
Big end going in, turned on.
There we go. Makes a little noise as it goes in. And then we will press the hose of wizardry, which works. And look at that. So, if you're at your storage yard or on a site with no access to water in terms of a hose pipe, as long as you can fill these little buckets and your aqua roll, you can rinse off and wash your caravan. How is it, Jules?
Yeah, it's not bad.
I think that's pretty good.
Not bad for a little travel shower.
No, and it's not drinking too much water either. It's not overly thirsty. Washing off the shampoo. How long is the hose, Jules? About 2 metres? A little bit more?
I'd say that. But it's one of those. Could do with a longer hose. But then again, does it?
Well, no, because you can lift and carry, look.
This would be ideal for just washing fudge.
Yeah.
Washing a dog. Washing yourself.
Washing your car.
If you're wild camping, you'll probably use warm water. That'd probably be a good idea. Otherwise
you'll be cold.
you'd be classed as having a cold shower. Some things are good like that sometimes.
And how many litres does that hold? Was it 8 to 10 or something?
Yeah. 8 packs.
Right, 8. So with 8 litres of water, you are having a good little rinse down. obviously you don't have to wash an Adria, you can also wash off Swifts, Baileys, Lunas.
Other products are available.
Other collapsible items are available, I'm sure. So topping up the bucket then, Jules.
I haven't used it all, I just don't want it to run dry.
Okay. Don't want it to run dry. There we go. And off we go again. Around the other side. That's brilliant. I'm actually genuinely quite impressed with that.
Got to say as well, as you've seen, this is straight out the packet. I haven't charged it or anything yet, so...
Yeah, so we might not get to do the whole caravan today. How does it charge, Jules?
By plugging it in.
Alright. And so you could plug that into your caravan, or if you were at home then?
Yeah. Or if you've got a Rexton, you can watch our video link up here. There is a plug in the back of the Rexton where you can charge things up.
There is.
True to form, amidst filming all this and trying to sort everything out, my wife comes out, picks up the bag and then starts unwrapping it, which I wanted to try and capture on film. So, what do you think to this then?
So, here it is. My Collapz 16 litre utility bag. It is waterproof. It has got carrying handles. It will hold water. And you can use it inside or out. I'm going to use this as a laundry bag. It says here it can also be used for laundry, tools, caravans, gardening, camping and newspapers. On our last trip I didn't have a proper utility bag and all our clothes ended up in carrier bags and it was disgusting, and I had to sneak to the laundry room under the cover of darkness with my carrier bag. So when this arrived I did do a tweet because I was that excited. So I'm going to use this to put all our dirty washing in. I haven't decided where I'm going to store it yet. It might be in the shower in the back for now because I'm probably not going to use the shower a lot. So I can put that in there and then fill this with clothes and proudly carry it to the laundry room whilst on our next trip to Cornwall, which is in a week. So I'll let you know how I get on with it, but it looks strong, looks good quality. 16 litres is certainly more than I can probably even carry, so once I've got it up and filled clothes with it, I'll show you. But there we go, the Collapz utility bag. Loads of purposes obviously, but for me it's going to be a laundry bag. So I'm going to remove the packaging. That was quite easy. And open it up. For anyone that may be colourblind, it is green. Not that that'll probably help you. It's got a nice base at the bottom, which is grey. Probably won't help you much either. And there we go.
Is it grey in the bottom as well? Other way. Oh, so you can even see in the bottom because it's grey, it differentiates between the sides.
So I'll stick that in the caravan and bob some bits in it. And here we are as promised. The Collapz utility bag has been used for laundry. This is 1 week's laundry for Jules and I, so 2 people. This is wet, hence it's quite heavy. I've just been and washed it. I'm going to hang it out now. So really pleased. Utility bag for laundry, a week's washing. A can, a Pepsi, a can of beans, a can of whatever you want, dog food in particular. These Collapz plastic can lid tops, absolutely fantastic. Come in a variety of sizes that you can order. These are just for standard cans. As you can see, fits on nicely. Can do it with beans, as I say, dog food, put it away so you don't stink your van out, your tent out, whatever it might be. And the good thing about them, as you can see, with these parts, they are good for older people. And, you know, I'm not being funny there. I know my mum's got arthritis in her thumbs and my dad has peripheral neuropathy and can't actually feel his hands almost at all. Yet, because they're longer, they stick out further, there's more of a grip. For anyone that does struggle, you can get hold of those quite easily. remove them, put them back on. Again, really simple, really good quality, and we have been using these.
So as we've said in the review, we're going to give you the good, the bad, the ugly. It's an honest review, and honestly we've loved using these products. They've been absolutely fantastic. Every adaptation that we've tried them on, they've succeeded. There's one, I wouldn't say downside, one thing that I've noted that I'm not overly impressed with is the lead that you use to charge up the pump. I'll show you the pump actually on charge, and I'll put that in now. Just in relation to it, it's a waterproof charger, sorry, it's a waterproof cover that opens, that charges this up, but it's, as you can see, it's an old style jack. What you'd like to have seen, obviously for our sort of community, is probably a micro USB or something like that, as people have got quite a lot of those and they use them on various different things. So this is another lead that has to be carried in order to just charge this one product, and it's not a very universal lead, or it's not a lead that's used much anymore. So just wanted to make you aware of that, just so that you know that you'll have to carry obviously another lead in relation to charging up this one product. So that's everything that we found. So thanks very much for watching.